In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete cells within your spreadsheet here in Google Sheets. So if you're working on a data and you want to do some cleanup by deleting some cells, you can do this in two ways. First, we can just select those cells that we want to delete and press delete on our keyboard. There you have it. But what if you want to shift your data either to the left or up after deleting those cells? Let's undo that and try it again. So once you've selected the cells that you want to delete, you can right-click on it and select Delete Cells right here. Now you have two options on the right where you can delete cells and shift all the data that are left to the left, or delete the cells that you've selected and shift up all the remaining data. Let's select the first option right now, and there you have it. We have deleted those cells and all the data from this side right here have shifted to the left. Let's try that again. This time we're going to try and shift up. So if we go to delete cells and select delete cells and shift up, this is what it's going to look like. So the data has been deleted and all the remaining data have shifted upward. Now what if you're trying to delete something within your table? Here, I have simply converted my raw data into this table right here. Let's try and delete the same data that we have selected before. If I select that and press delete on my keyboard, there you have it. I deleted those cells or the values within those cells. But if I try and do that again, but this time with a right click, it will not give me the options to delete those cells and shift the remaining data to either left or upward. The only options that it would give me would be to delete the rows that are selected or the columns again that are selected. So if you're dealing with data within your tables, deleting cells by right-clicking and selecting delete cells is not an option. If you want to delete some data right here, what you can do is just select them and press delete on your keyboard. And there you have it. That's how you can delete cells within your spreadsheet here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.